In our passion fruit orchard, we have several agents that causes diseases. Mainly we have the fungus, the virus, and the bacterial. For those caused by fungus, we have the brown spots, we have the dieback, we have the septoria leaf spot, and so on. And for those caused by virus, we have mostly in passion fruit, we have the woodiness virus. And for the bacterial, which it's a very rare, rare cases we find bacterial wilt. One of the most common diseases in passion fruits is dieback. It's the most lethal one in a passion fruit orchard. As you can see over here, the disease starts from the middle of the plant, dies going towards the roots, and it eventually kills the whole plant. So you'll end up losing the whole crop. So the most common signs for dieback disease, you can just know by seeing how it starts. It usually starts from the middle of a plant. As you can see, it's starting at this point. Eventually the plant will die and cause the damage. As you can see, we are losing the fruits because the plant is dead in the middle. So all the plant will die eventually. To control this kind of a disease, which it's caused by a fungus, you can cut 1 foot away from the disease part, somewhere here, and make sure you smear it with a copper-based fungicide. Once you're done cutting, you ensure you disinfect your tools before using it in another plant, and make sure that the diseased part of the plant you place it in a bag so that you can be able to go and destroy it away from the field. The other way of controlling is by ensuring that you just follow the right spray program so that you can ensure that the fungus doesn't come to the field by using the fungicides that are able to control or protect the plant from being infected by the fungi. Another common disease in passion fruit is it's called brown spot. Usually you can identify it by seeing a brown spot on a leaf like this one. Also you can identify it in the fruits like this one over here. And the problem with this disease is that it causes a lot of damage to the leaves. When brown spots attacks the leaves, the plant will lose, the leaves will eventually fall down, and when the plant loses its leaves, that means the plant is not making any food. When the brown spots attacks the fruit, like this one, it means that we are no longer having a quality product, and that's what we are looking for. So we just lose the fruit, and we'll have no product at the end. In a passion fruit orchard, we have several types of pests that affect passion fruits. We have those which are sucking pests, we have the biting pests, and those which cuts by just biting the stem. For those example of those ones which are sucking, we have the thrips, we have the aphids, we have the mealybugs, and so on. For those ones which are the biting pests, we have the caterpillars, the leaf hoppers, and so on. One of the most common pests in passion fruits is called the thrips. It usually causes a lot of damages when the fruit is still young, because the pest usually enters through the flower, damages the tender fruit, and later, in the later stages, the fruit will have a bad shape like this one. It's not round as it's supposed to be. Also, you can see it's causing a lot of scars, so it lowers the quality of the fruit. And to control the thrips, you ensure that you do regular scouting in the field, passion fruit orchard, and do a proper spray program so that you can be able to eliminate all the pests in the field. Here we are having a blackjack weed, highly infested by aphids, and the aphids are the most notorious pest in the passion fruit because they are the vectors of a disease called woodiness virus, which causes the fruits to crack and lowers the quality. So if you do not remove the weeds, if you do not control the weeds, the pest will just move from the, after finishing out eating the or multiplying in the weeds, they'll move to your plant. They suck on the plant and then they will transmit the virus to the plant. Also, human beings are also considered as pests because they can damage the whole crop.